Happy New Year's, everybody! Man, this day is gonna be so faster and faster. This 2026. I mean 2020. What did I say? 2026? Yeah, it is. Sorry. Only I have to do is make my room my room clean. So first and first, I have to stick with this light for the New Year's. Yeah, I put something in there. If you see those things, they won't stick up. So I have to stick with this chair, and hopefully I don't fall. And this is all. This is all I have to do first. So I have to clean my room first. Then I will put my fireworks that I already brought it. I will show you. And we have to clean this here because what time it is? It's almost it's 3:43. So I have to get ready for this, for the new for this 2025. It's gonna be over now. This is gonna be now and over. So where I'm gonna put my camera if you can see me. If you can see me over there, let me check. I think you can see me. Yeah. So I have to do is pone pega. No. I hope it will not fall. Come on. I have to start over again because I already did. Lo hice. Si me escucha. Be ready, guys. I have to be ready. You don't have to. Oh, what am I supposed to do with that? Oh no, pegar what do you call it? I forgot the name. Glue. I got it. Oh man, it's gonna be hard. I have some glue over here, so I'm gonna take this off. I mean, this is kind of fun for me. It's just moving around and you have to hang up at yourself and not for fall. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like to fall. Okay. See? I think so it is, guys. So this is gonna happen. So this is not well. This is gonna fall up just with the way they are. The way they be. Sorry. What am I gonna do with this? Well, that's all. So I have to clean this. Primero voy a regar mi cuerpo y se acabó ahí. Y nada, ya voy a enseñar los fireworks. And now I'm gonna see what they look like of this. Cause they're gonna very loud for this big boom and this firework with colors. Cause it's New Year, of course, obviously. But this is way too more for this year. So I have to do ready for this. Okay, look what I got with the fireworks. Happy plants. Those two babies will explode more possible. If you have this, you will better to check right now for this. And that's all. My remote. Let's open it for see. You know, my new videos about Christmas was awesome. I read so many comic books from Justin Lee. And my water is still out. Anyway, let's open it. To see about the railroad. Whoa, guys, look. I mean, it's not the part of this, so first I have to turn it out. And there we go. See? Oh, it started to. It's on.
Weather brought to you by Anna Levine.
Let's see what about.
Call 1-800-747-FREE.
That's 1-800-747-3733.
Yeah, I know. Do you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that. Nope. Okay, it's Vaseline. No music. No. Oh, now that is music. We call it a musical. Bad Bunny, eh? Not much better. So what we got here? The distraction we already know. Question. Doesn't matter. Alright, let's go and turn this a little bit before you can hear me. I know that music fire, right? Esta canción está bien buena. Quisiera aprovechar y comprar uno de estos años, ¿verdad? De estos años 60. So those babies are gonna fire. Let's see if I can open themselves. Oh, it's too risky, but I have to. Y sigue pegado. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? I mean, if you can see it, because it's kinda, I don't see it. But you see it. Sorry. If you see those things, I have to do it again. No está bien pegado, no está bien pegado. Sí, mi gente. I can feel it with this.
El nuevo Sol 95, el líder en variedad y diversión.
Yeah, baby, yeah. Oh, ¿será que será? Oh my goodness. Where should I put? I don't have something for. ¿Sabes? Como coge cosas y te pone así, no sé. Let's dance for this. But let's do it on another, because today I think we have to go outside. I don't know where, but I think it's for the party of this year. I think I have to go there. And most are grateful that you everybody watch these videos. You know, more videos about this. And the times is going so fast. And I hope this 2026 is gonna be the best year ever. With those things happening in those 2025 right now, this season, it's very complicated as you don't confuse with the 6, 7, oh, those things they make in TikTok. It's made me feel crazy. Let me turn this. All of this happened in TikTok with those teenagers, you know, with 6, 7, and other those cool things. I mean, memes. I don't know. But it's complicating for this year, so I don't like it. I disagree. I disagree with those facts because it doesn't make any sense, right? With what were they called? Tun something? Tun sabi? No, I don't know what is that. And Chileria Cafecino. What is that? Is that supposed to be meme for something? But this it's way too hard. So I have to make this again. I hate it. But I have to work on it. It's not about my work, people. And I have to do this music up because this is my job. Let's see more. We here, guys. We finally here in Sunset Walk in Kissimmee, and we are back here for the join for the party. You know, the DJ and everyone, and special moment in this new year in 2026 that is coming tomorrow. So if you hear that music, that's my jam, baby. That's my jam, baby, guys. So look at that. Tell me if you want to join me for that. Because I wish I'm ready to go over there. If you got scared, then that means that you are the scary cat. So we're not gonna waste the time, and let's go over there to see. Wow, I wish I go to see London, the clock. And we are going right now for wishing our time. Okay, people? Let's go. No cars. Unless this one's coming. Let's wait here. Oh. Wow. I can hear the music. Yo guys, I'm sorry about what happened to last. I have a great day. No cars. To wait. Oh, he's going to wait. Anyway guys, and we are finally here. We got the best ear in this, honey. I'm sorry I didn't take those videos because I was busy to do something about my life. And yeah, it's very good for them. Look at the moon. Wow, isn't it cute? I can't zoom it because the GoPro won't let me in.
Minutes later.
Hey people, we're done for the party. It was so good. It's kind of a cold, I guess, but it's very good. The music, the rock. So now we're gonna blow the fireworks today for this new year for today. And yo guys, it's time. You can hear it. So everywhere. Including the backyard. Alright people, let's do it over there in this parking lot. I know it's kinda dark, but this I can see well. Don't lie. I think this will be perfect over here. Oh, wow. Guess I can play it. I don't see it, but it's dark, I know. I think it's better than take this light on. No, that's better. Wow. Okay, let's do it. Come on. Happy New Year, everybody! Whoa! 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 Oh! Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo-hoo! Yo, do you see that? Now that is what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the last one, everybody. Let's count 3. Okay, a la 1, a la 2, a la 1, 2, 3. Hold up. Hold up. Come on. Woohoo! Come on, let me see. Woohoo! Wow. Yo, look at those. Look at those. It's still. What a night. Yo, it's still with fire, bro. That's crazy. Look at it. I mean, wow. That's crazy. And that is gonna steam up. Look at that. It's the coolest thing on earth. I never see anything like that. Wow. Oh, like bird. Where? Oh, it's come out. Oh my god, everybody. This is so the mad things happen with the firework. It's so I mean, I don't know how to tell, but this is incredible thing that I do with those Halloween seasons. Well guys, that will be it. Now finally I'm gonna rest in peace and watch my favorite season of the Stranger Things season 5 that coming now, right now, and this now. And now I hope you everybody have this best new 2026 year. Good luck for everybody and for the whole world. Good luck everybody. Now I'm gonna watch the Stranger Things season 5. Good luck in 2026 and welcome to 2026. See you in other videos.